Saturday morning fabrics. Yay! I've got some beautiful whites, and the theme is summer, it's whites. And even for fall, what's interesting is we see whites going into the fall forecast. They're trying to get to where we wear whites year round, and I think that's going to be really interesting to see what happens. But I'm going to start off with some of my favorite colors with white, which are blue and gray. I just love the combinations. This first one is 100% linen. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Pair of slacks, a jacket with white, any combination is just so fresh and clean. All of these fabrics today are $19.99, so this linen is just an incredible price. It is reversible, just FYI. Both sides are usable. And then I put in this cotton poly. It's a Pontoroma because the colors are just so beautiful together, these two blues. A pants or a jacket or a top that would be the same color would be just stunning. This is got stretch in both directions. It's 100%. It's a cotton poly. I'm sorry, it's not 100%. But the feel on this is just beautiful. The drape is incredible. Then the next three are Veronica Beard, and these Veronica Beard are great for a little jacket, a little jean jacket, a pair of pants. The drape is just beautiful on this. Also, this is 100% cotton. It is a woven. There's just a little bit of stretch woven, but really it's a woven fabric. Got a great selvage. This next one pairs with it beautifully. It's an eyelet. It's a white eyelet. It's 100% cotton. And look at with the blues and then with the gray. They're just gorgeous together. So this little embroidered eyelet at $19.99 is a killer price. It's just an amazing price. And it pairs really beautifully with the linen. This is 100% linen. You can see it goes all the way across if you decide to put the blue and the white linen together. Just gorgeous. And I put this gray and white in here. This is a viscose, 100% viscose knit, great stripe. There's so many things we know we can do with stripes. The blues and the grays, they're just such a pretty combination together. 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Both sides are usable. $19.99. Just some beautiful fabrics at great prices, and the goal for Saturday. You know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.